Yo, what's up guys, it's Locust and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're going to be going over how to make modded Android APKs. Specifically we're going to go over Unity Mono APKs. Pretty easy stuff. I will make a tutorial in the future for IL2 CPP and how to do that. That requires making a library that you compile with the APK and hooking functions. It's a little more complex and it's going to be a 40-minute video. And, you know, I have school and stuff nowadays, so I'm just going to make this quick video. And I'll make one on Subway Surfers in the future, which uses IL2 CPP, and I'll show you how to hook. But this is just for Unity Mono. So the first thing you're going to do is install APK Toolkit. Link in the description. Just go ahead and download it from right here. The next thing you're going to do is install this, which is just going to allow us to view Unity serialized assets or files. And yeah, so just go ahead and download this. You're going to need to install .NET too, .NET 6.0 to use this. And also I think you need Java for this too. So go ahead and do that. And yeah, it's not wasting any time. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you'll need is an emulator, or if you're doing this on a real Android, then you can do it on a real Android. But just make sure that if you're on an emulator, just make sure root mode is on. We don't need it today, but in the future tutorials, I'm gonna use it. So yeah, just make sure root mode is on. But like I said, if you're on a real Android, don't worry about it. You don't need root for this. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is get the APK you want to mod. So for this example, I'm going to be using Temple Run. So I have this is the version I have. I just downloaded it from an APK site. You can use any Temple Run APK. I'm sure it'll be similar structure. So just have the APK file ready. And you're going to go and we're going to open APK Toolkit right here, just this exe file, and open it up. And we're going to click on this little file button here. And we're going to find where we have it. So I'm going to go to APKs and select my Temple Run APK. And I'm going to hit OK, right? So we're going to wait for this, wait for it to parse. And once it's open, you should see the name and stuff. You're going to go ahead and if you want, you can change the title and everything. I can change it from Temple Run to like Temple Run Modded. But that just requires if you have to sign it yourself. So I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to worry about actually modding it. So we're going to go ahead and hit decompile. Now this is going to take a decent amount of time. So just wait for it to fully decompile. It'll say done whenever it's done. So just wait for it and let it do its thing. All right, so once it's done, it'll say finish like this. And don't close this because we're going to compile it later. We're just going to go ahead and minimize it. And I'm going to go open the UABEA now. We're going to go down and just open the exe file and wait for this to open. All right, so now that it's here, we're going to go to File and Open. And now we can go to APK Toolkit file or folder where it's located. Go to Decompiled and then select the Temple Run. And then we're going to see a couple things here. Just go into Assets and then Bin, Data. And we're going to look for level 0 here because that's going to be, if you know how Unity scenes work, level 0 is the scene. So we're going to go into level 0. Open. And here we go. So you're going to see a ton of things here. You can notice, if you know Unity, you can see game objects and stuff like that. So we can just go in and go to Tools and Scene Hierarchy, which should give us a lot of stuff here. Oops, I accidentally clicked on String Manager. But as you see, you can see a lot of stuff. And the most important things that we're going to be focused on are probably Game Controller. So I would just click on this and then right-click on this Mono Behavior Base and hit Edit Asset. And this will show you everything that's in the game object. So stuff like scenery, and this is just like player. But if we scroll down here, we have a lot of stuff here, like saving me video, max coins before save me, enemy count, use cheat, time since cheat, mega coin, used, you know, just all this stuff, invisibility duration, stuff like that. Now, it's very important that most of the stuff is actually gonna get changed. So, like because of just the way functions work, most of this is gonna get changed by function. So if we were to change this, it wouldn't, you know, it's gonna get overwritten. But if you're gonna look for stuff that can't be changed because we're not gonna be hooking today. So let's see, Time since cheat handling end game. No. Let's take a look at average score per block. Let's just throw this on like, sure, leave it at that. And yeah, I also screwed on. I see God mode. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. It's a UN8, so God mode is equal to 0. I'm assuming this is just Boolean, so I'm gonna set this to 1 for true, and I'm gonna hit OK. Hit OK. I'm gonna check if there's anything else here. I think we're good. Let's see, bonus items pool. Let's check this out. Looks like it's just hold the script here. Which is just gonna be spawn pool. Doesn't look like anything relevant. GUI 2D. This is probably for, yeah, this is just for GUI kind of stuff. You know, save me GUI. But this is all use of sprites, so we can't actually change any of this. But input systems, mouse and keyboard. Yeah, this looks like how it determines controls. Sensitivity slider, but you can change all this stuff. Here a player manager. Did I already look at this? Yeah, I did. Camera, we can change this to field of view. Let's just crank the field of view to, oops, let's go, we have to go to the actual base. Let's crank field of view to like 180. Sure. And hit OK. Hit OK. Close. File. Save. Wait for it to save. Close it out. All right, so I'm done with all this. Let's just close out of this, and let's go ahead and just go back here. And I'm gonna click on the folder icon now and make sure that we go to the decompiled and just select it and hit compile now and let this compile. This is gonna take a little bit. All right, so this is finished now, so we can go ahead and just close out of it, and it's gonna be in the compiled apps file, that directory. So let's just click on this APK. And as you see, toolkit and compiled, here it is. Let's go ahead and open that, and it's going to start installing it to our emulator. If you have obviously a real Android device, you're going to want to upload this somewhere like Mediafire and then download it to your device, or use ADB. Okay, so let's open the game here and let's see. All right, so it seems that we set our FOV so high that now we literally cannot see anything. So if you go ahead and do hear this noise, if you hear the noise behind me, I don't know if you hear it, but it's like it means that we have God mode. So our God mode definitely worked. As you see, I'm just not even hitting anything, and we're not even dying either. So I think we have the God mode enabled. I could go ahead and fix the FOV, but you know, yeah. But as you see, the tutorial is literally just completing for us because we we have the God mode enabled. So yeah, so this God mode worked. Now our high score didn't work, but that's probably because the game manager is separate. But you guys get the point. That's just an easy way on how to monitor it. So yeah, we literally cannot die. So this is literally never going to end. But unless we go ahead and actually like go and end it here and go to the main menu or a new game. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more videos. IL2 CPP is coming next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.